Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Alien's Fireteam Elite 2 game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check the system requirements before you play the game. It's an important step. So after searching for the game, you have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs that is mentioned over here, and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to modify launch option. Before that, you are also suggested to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restarts. Once your PC restarts, try to launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you have to type -dx11 and launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then check if the game is launching or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to run the game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the exe file and simply double click on it and check if the game is launching or opening or not. If this doesn't work, you should run the game as administrator. So for that, select the game exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, launch the game and check if you can play it. If you cannot play, come back, select it, run this program in compatibility mode for, click on apply and OK, launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of this, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the system file checker. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for command prompt. So open command prompt and here you have to type sfc scan. So copy and paste it over here and then press enter. So this will repair the game files and after that launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers. This will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description. Intel users also, and go through the link and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If you are going through the website, so here you have to enter your graphics details manually, enter all the details over here, click on the find option and after that you will get few details of your graphics card. Here you have to click on view and finally you will get the download option over here. Simply click on download option. Once it is downloaded, you have to update or install it and after that launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for Windows security. Click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. Here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game and the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to disable all mods. So if there is any mods enabled, then you are suggested to remove all those kinds of mods enabled as they can be the reason for crashing problem or other issues. So make sure to disable the mods and then try to launch the game. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as you can see in the image. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, Click on properties, click on install files, click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to update Windows, so make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Click on check for updates option, wait for some time, and after your Windows is updated, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. The website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it. Click on yes. Wait for some time. And once it is finished, you have to restart your PC, and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Press enter. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to go to the services tab, select hide all Microsoft services, and then click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager, select the applications, and after that click on disable. Go back, click on OK, and finally launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Select the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. So this will delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. Once your system restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game, and finally click on the play button to check if it's working. So using these few simple and best solutions, you can easily fix Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, stuck on loading screen, not loading error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.